What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz and welcome to another episode on Modify My Mercedes. So in this episode today, what we're going to do, a quick modification to my center console. I purchased this item from AliExpress. What it is like an ambient lighting for just the center console, and it cost me around £45. So it's a cheap modification for your Mercedes center console. You can get them in different classes as well. So I've opted for the C class. Of course, I've got the C class. But just before we get started, if you haven't seen my new playlist where I've got a new Allsortzz project card, this is the Honda Accord Type R. Make sure you check it out. I will leave the card up above. That's my new project here on Allsortzz, but I'm still going to do the Mercedes as well. I have ordered a few more parts for it as well, so this came up first and this is the video I'll be doing. So here is the part. We're going to go inside, check what we received and show you what it's like. But if I just unlock the car, it should be an easy fix, and it goes around the center console all the way up and all the way to the other side as well. So you're gonna have to stay tuned to see what color I chose. And as always, people, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. Anyways, let's nip inside just to show you what we've received in the box, and then we'll take a look at installing this and see what it looks like before and after. What's happening, people? So here is what I received. It's just a LED box, and this is what is inside. So we have some how-to guides, whatever you want to call it. Here it is. So basically you've got to take the center console off just in front of the center the opening bit, and I'll show you how to do it later in the video. All it is got to get some clips on either side, and there is a blue clip inside. You have to take that off, add the extension which we have right here, and then just plug it in together. So it says here connect to the lights. Usually the blue is the and the yellow is the, also the blue is the plus and the yellow is the minus. If the light's not bright, please change the plus and the minus wire. So get power connection, this is for that. And you've also got a little tool right here and a warning leaflet saying do not bend the light too hard, otherwise the consequences will follow. You'll get half of it that lights and half of it that doesn't. So we are going to leave this out of the box so that it doesn't bend too much. So here it is. Here is the lights, what I'm on about, that goes around the center console. I don't want to bend them too much as they've been in the box for a long time. Here is the wires, and here is the extension. And that is what it is, people. So what we need to do now is we need to add these. I'm pretty sure we add these wires to this part right here, and then we need to add this onto the extension of the car, which I'll show you in the video right now. So let's get started on the installation. Right, to open one of these up, let me just show you what I've done here. So as the manual, well, not even manual said, the blue is the plus and the green should be the minus, hopefully. So that's what I've done. The red wire I put to the blue and the black wire I put to the green. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver and of course a little tool that came with it, because there's two screws, or maybe one, once you open up the cover. So what you need to do is open this up. There's a screw here. That's what the connection looks like. I was right when I actually fitted the wires. So the blue extension goes into the blue bit, and the original one from the blue one what I took out goes into the white bit, and I've actually just tested it out to see if the lights come on, and yes they do. So that is an easy fix, to be honest. What a nightmare this is. Well, this was. It's kind of hard doing it on camera. I have to move from the driver's side to the passenger side so that the tubes can fit in the right place, but it's a really tight squeeze. So as you can see here, the tubes are here. You've got to take the full center console off, and there's a little gap underneath as well where the tubes actually fit in, but it's a really tight squeeze, so you've got to be messing about with it just to align it up really good. But yeah, just before I put the screws in, I'm just gonna check it out to see if it actually works, and then we'll assemble it back together, and I'll wait until it's dark and show you what it's like. Now, as you've seen the driving shots, I've just parked up to show you, and it's turned out to be really good. If you're thinking about the brightness, you know, when you actually put up the brightness from your right hand side where the lights are, it actually works with this as well. So here it is down, it's nice and dim all the way down, so if you don't want it really bright, that's showing it as dim as it could be. And when you put it all the way to the top, as you can see here, it's gone really bright. It even goes into the footwell as well, which is really good. So let me just turn it down, as you can see, and now it's all the way up. But yeah, it does bright up the car. So this is a cheap mod costing £45 for ambient lighting. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think? So this is one of the modifications for the interior, so there's a lot more yet to come with my Mercedes. But yeah, let's start modifying the interior now. I might thinking to get some more tubes so I can actually put on this side as well, see if there's any gaps, because I'm sure they are, because other cars do have ambient lighting. But yeah, what do you think? It's a really nice royal blue color. I don't know if you can see it properly on camera. It's really bright on camera, but it looks really nice when you see it in person, and it just brings light into the car, which is really good. I actually like it. What a good and cheap modification. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and yeah, I'll see you again for another episode of Modify My Mercedes.